Good morning, fam. Your body's calling for movement, and we're here to listen. In just 5 minutes, we're going to unlock your back, stretch your hamstrings, and bring life back into your spine. It's time to flow, to release, to stretch. Let's hit the mat. Stand tall, feet grounded. Inhale. Now lean gently to the left. Feel the stretch lengthening your side, your ribs, your hips, your waist. Exhale, come back to center. Switch sides, lean to the right. Inhale, exhale. This isn't just a movement, it's a conversation, a dialogue between your body and the morning. Each stretch whispers, open up, and you do, side to side. Your body unfurls like a flower greeting the sun. Now fold forward. Reach for your toes. Feel that stretch in the back of your legs. The hamstrings sighing as they lengthen. Bend your knees. Drop into squat. Feel your hips open. Your heels pressing into the floor. Then rise, strong, grounded. Repeat. Down to the earth, then back up. The rhythm is slow but deliberate. The stretching pulls you down. The rise lifts you up. It's a flow. Gravity meets strength, and you're the connection point. Take a wide stance now. Arms out like wings. Twist from your waist. Reach your right hand to your left foot. Back to center. Now your left hand to your right foot. Slow, deliberate. Each twist unlocking your spine. With each reach stretching your hamstrings. Feel the twist in your back, the stretch in your legs. It's a dance. Your body sways side to side, reaching, opening, releasing. You're loosening up, your back unwinding like a coil, your legs lengthening with each reach. Let the tension melt away. Step forward into a low lunge. Your right leg leads. Your left knee drops low. Feel the stretch in your hips, in your quads. Push back into standing. Now step forward with your left leg. Sink into the lunge. It's slow, it's strong, it's controlled. Each lunge stretches you further. Each step grounds you deeper. You're not rushing. You're moving with purpose. The stretch isn't just physical. It's mental. It's balance. It's focus. And as your legs stretch, so does your mind. Now step into skater toe touches. Step your right foot behind your left. Reach down and touch your toes. Switch sides. Left foot behind, reach. There's a rhythm here. It's not fast, it's graceful. Your legs are gliding. Your arms are reaching. Stretching your back, lengthening your legs. Feel the flow. You're not just stretching. You're moving. You're gliding. Your body's light. Your movement's fluid. You're stretching, yes, but more than that, you're dancing in the morning, letting your body find its own rhythm. 5 minutes, fam. And look what you've done. You've stretched out your back, your hamstrings, and your legs. You've woken up your body, loosened up the tight spots, and now you're ready to take on the day. Save this flow for whenever you need to unlock your body and come back to it whenever you need that release. Keep stretching, keep flowing, and let's move through this day with strength and ease. Let's go!